Christmas is a time for celebration around tables, for merry food and drinks, crackers, stockings and tinsel, and this year is no different. Because all this year across the land, incredible people have been crafting by hand quality Irish produce for our Christmas days, and this is a love that goes both ways. Throughout this most unusual year, our loyalty to local has kept us in cheer, with vegetables sowing, produce flowing and communities growing the length and breadth of our beautiful isle. Now that's something to be proud of, something to make us smile. So though this Christmas may be a little different, let's keep what we've learned this year going. Let's bring our local communities home this year through the abundant goodness they've grown.